Hey guys, Timishki here obviously, and as per your guys' requests, today we're looking at the AirPods Pro. I almost said Max, but AirPods Pro 2. This is the USB version, so this is basically the latest AirPods from Apple. I'm gonna be unboxing this guy, I'm gonna be trying them out and obviously tell you guys some of the features that this guy comes with. These are my old AirPods. These are the original AirPods that Apple launched almost 10 years ago, 5, correct me if I'm wrong, but these guys, one side already doesn't play anymore. Up to I think a year ago they were still playing fine, but now they are completely dead. If you guys actually might also be aware, I tried the AirPods 3 before and I own the AirPods Pro Max, which I actually just showed you how to wash it on a reel on Instagram, so go there and follow me. So apart from the USB-C that you're going to get and also the lossless feature that will work with the Apple's Vision Pro, the rest of the features are you actually also going to be getting on the standard AirPods Pro 2 Lightning, which right now, if you can check Amazon, they might actually be on sale if they still have stock. All right, so let's open this guy up so we can check out what's inside. So I don't know what I was trying to do on the other side, where they clearly indicate that I need to peel this one off and then I peel this other one off. One thing I like about unboxing Apple product is that most of the Apple products that I've been unboxing, they come with their own USB-C cable, although some other one that I unboxed that I think you guys are going to see the video in a couple of weeks came also with a power brick, which is good. The iPhone doesn't come with the power brick, so I'm definitely not speaking about the iPhone. Yeah, one good thing about it is that they all come with USB-C cable on the box. So this is the AirPods themselves, and inside the box you will also get the cable, as I have mentioned, and furthermore you're going to get extra tip for the AirPods, since this one is an in-ear earphones, but just looking at them, I think I might be going with the small. So I think you have extra small, small and large, and the mediums are the one that actually come installed on the AirPods themselves. As I mentioned, USB to USB-C cable, which is what Apple is now trying to move into. Let's open this, but before I open this, let's see if they have Apple stickers here. I don't know if these guys include Apple stickers. You have literature and more literature, so no Apple stickers. All right, let's put that on the side and unpack this guy here. Now the AirPods Pro 2 come with active noise cancelling. We all actually are familiar with what is active noise cancelling. Is basically blocking the outside noise so you can actually get a better seal and actually listen to the audio or whatever you're listening to it much better. So the AirPods Pro also come with transparency mode on top of the active noise cancelling. Transparency mode is basically allowing the outside audio to get into your AirPods. So the AirPods will basically listen to the outside noise, outside audio, and feed it to you through the mics that come outside the AirPods themselves. One other feature that I'm actually going to be trying to enjoy, actually like the size of this guy, is adaptive audio, which is basically a blend of active noise cancelling and a transparency mode, but we'll do it dynamically depending on your environment. So let's actually see how they look. They're actually quite big. Yeah, it's actually quite big. Let me compare with just the case. Okay. The case is a little bit bigger than the original AirPods. These guys I know are gonna get very dirty. On the case, as I mentioned, this case comes with a USB-C, since this is a USB-C version. It also has a speaker, and in the bottom, I don't know if this is a mic in the bottom. This guy comes with the H2 processor and the U1 chip. The U1 chip is what will allow it to basically be located, so you can actually locate this case if you lose it, and you can locate them the same way you would locate your tags with the Find My application on your iPhone. And I spoke about lossless. Lossless is enabled by the H2 chip, but this feature will only work with the Vision Pro when the Vision Pro comes out. Lossless is basically a higher audio protocol that Apple has, and the H2 will also give you sort of a low latency when it comes to connecting between your iPhone via Bluetooth. I think I've spoken too much on this video, so let's synchronize it to my iPhone right now. Okay, I'm guessing if I just open them, it should pop out. I heard the sound. There we go. Connect the AirPods. One feature that I was actually updated with iOS 17 is that now, if you can see, I see the white framing on the AirPods, but if I am on night mode, before it wouldn't change to black, it would actually still continue being white on the interface, but now it actually automatically changes to black, which is good. Let me just dim down that a little bit, which is good. So telling me noise cancelling, skip that, allow call the notification, continue, adaptive audio. So this is the adaptive audio I was talking about. It actually tells you that dynamically responds to the environment and cancels out, allowing external cancelling out or allowing external noise. All right, so we are successfully connected. As you guys can see that the case has 42% charge, and both AirPods combined have 94. All right, setup pretty quick and easy. And now it's time to give it a listen. Finally, the AirPods 3 that I used to have, that I've already mentioned, used to have a click function to pause and answer calls, skip, backtrack. These ones are going to be using touch. And unlike those ones, these ones I can just use the touch area to sort of put up the volume and put down the volume. As you guys can see, it's actually doing that right now. So if I go up and if I click once, if I hold, it should change to weather transparency mode. So let's hold and see if that will change. Okay. Wow. This is transparency mode. It actually sounds better. It sounds better than me just listening to my voice without them. This is pretty crazy. I mean, I have the AirPods Max, and this is way better. I sound so clear and loud. You know, it sounds like I am doing an ASMR video or audio in this case. That's how clear I sound, and a little bit amplified. Wow, is this really how I sound to you guys? All right, so right now I'm on noise control transparency. If I hold it again, it switches to noise control transparency on. Okay, let's see, hold it again. Noise control transparency on. Noise control transparency cancellation. Okay, so I don't think I can go to the other mode. So let's try conversational awareness. It sounds basically the same, but on conversational awareness, as I mentioned, it should go up and down when I speak, and if I stop speaking, it should actually change back. Actually, oh wow, there we go. Let's listen to Drake, obviously. All right. Damn, my ears were dirty as I predicted. So, knowing that sound quality is subjective, these are actually as good as my AirPods Max for some reason. If you are looking to buy the AirPods Pro, this is actually the sign that you've been waiting for. What will dictate which AirPods you buy? It's most definitely going to be your budget. These are the only AirPods if I'm comparing the AirPods 3 and the standard AirPods that have noise cancelling. If noise cancelling is a big thing for you, which just listening to these ones compared to the ones that I used to have, they actually a big thing. So if it's a big thing for you, just get these ones. And if obviously money is not a problem, don't even think of the other ones, just go and get either these ones or get the AirPods Pro Max. One thing I will tell you is that if you get those ones first, the AirPods Max first, you will find out that there are situations that you actually cannot be wearing those, and these ones, because they're a little bit incognito, this one will actually fit the situation much better. Now, quick comparison with the old ones. There you go. It's actually a little bit shorter than older one. These are like the AirPods 3 but without this piece of rubber over there. This will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, obviously make sure you subscribe for future videos. Like this video, click the notification bells button, and I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.